Hello guys, welcome to Visa. It's been a long time since we met and I hope first of all that you, your family, your colleagues are doing well and facing in the proper way this pandemic. Today we would like to tell you about a story that talks about how a special tailor-made project become real. So guys, follow me, I will take you in this experience. The project started in January 2020. We won against the toughest and reputable competitors thanks of many aspects. All the specifications listed from client were included and furthermore we find the best combination between the reliability of the product and the sustainability of the unit during maintenance and operation. To finalize this project, it was necessary a strong teamwork between Visa operators, suppliers and clients. No one was excluded from this process. Only a definition of the phase permit us to start the next one. But now, let's have a look about what we have realized. The unit is designed to operate in a data center in Holland. It consists of two units, each with 1700 DCP kVA ratings, powered with a 16-cylinder Mitsubishi engine, equipped with a redundant starter system, a double battery pack, each of them provide with a dedicated battery charger. The whole unit is installed in a 45 feet super silent container, able to reach 70 dBA at 7 meters. To reduce the noise in a so big unit, we have decided to use a remote radiator. The remote radiator is located on the top of the roof and is equipped with a low noise fan and with a special coating for the external application. The remote radiator permits us to install in the inlet and outlet channel some dedicated noise reduction buffer. And furthermore, we have installed on the top of the roof a really big residential muffler made of a muffler which is more than 5 meters long and with a diameter of 1.1 meter. Special ventilators is used to cool the container and avoid overheating problem. The opening for air inlet and outlet are both provided with motorized louvers. This permits to keep warm the container during standby phase, especially during winter. Dedicated heater blow hot air inside the container and permit to maintain a constant room temperature approximately about 20 degrees. According to the project, we have used a special component, such as special double-walled tanks complying Kiwa standards, a special double set of fuel refilling pumps to permit a redundant system, a special polishing filter system which avoid the further development of sludge in the fuel. Furthermore, we have created a dedicated rooms to be installed inside a fire extinguisher system. So Visa has looked after to the brain of these two units. A special electrical cabinet was developed to cover any application needs. So let's talk about this electrical aspect with Paolo.
Basically, in each genset, the two controllers work simultaneously and share a signal which is called heartbeat. In the standard operation, the secondary controller is inhibited as long as the primary is up and running. On the other hand, in case of a failure of the primary controller, the secondary controller is able to take full control of the genset in only a fraction of a second. And of course, all of this is done automatically without any consequences for the load. In addition, both controllers can be monitored automatically via Modbus by the customer building management system.
As soon as the production was finished, unit have to be tested. And according with the clients, we have tested the unit following a special test program to make sure that everything is working as planned. As you have seen, the project was full of technological components, but another challenge has involved all the departments of Visa. I'm talking about time. Of course, units have to be delivered in time, and time schedule have to be monitored accurately. Thanks to our lean production management system, we could do it well.
It was not easy for us to combine the delivery of so many components and at the same time producing speedily. We have to consider that we are producing more than 5,000 units in a year. An unexpected and uncommon situation due to the COVID restriction. It was a big challenge, but we did it gratefully.
This project was possible thanks to a good partnership between Visa team and the customer and the suppliers as well. And let me say that we all are proud of it.
So guys, this story is nearly at the end, but let me say thank you to all people involved in this project, colleagues, suppliers, and thank you to our client that has believed in Visa as reliable suppliers for this complex turnkey project. So guys, let's stay tuned, follow us on the social. We will send you and we will present you more interesting project. So guys, stay tuned, see you, bye bye, ciao.